Have you ever wondered, you as a beginner, let's say I've given you a website, an example, let's use Cashkick. Uh, I tell you go try this website, it's for beginner and it's a survey website, but you forgot to use a proxy, and then this is what will happen to you. Oops, sorry about that. Cashkick is not available in your country, but we hope to change that soon. So you can see that you've been blocked because they are not accepting, they are restricting people from who are not available, mostly in the US region. So this video I'll just show you how to create or how to purchase a proxy and connect it and have a successful uh, access like this. I'm using a proxy and just see how easy I'll have access to this website. You can see I can sign up and here is their dashboard. So the trick is that use a proxy. Once I tell you to use a proxy, use a, but this video I'm just gonna show you how to purchase a proxy at an affordable price, and then you can access websites like Cashkick and other websites that restricts you based on the region, and you can sign up and then start making money online. Now once you are in the dashboard, here's how it looks like, and you can see that they have these tabs over here, and you can see that this is these are tools: proxy checker, port scanner, ping IP, my IP trace. So if you want to check a proxy, here is the tools section. Okay, and for the beginners, and you need an affordable proxy, you can either purchase a proxy from the IPv4 or the IPv6. Those ones are so affordable. You can either you can purchase it under $2, right? And these are for the beginners who need to know how to navigate the online space, and they don't know exactly what to do. I can recommend you can get this proxy at affordable price. Then once you get confident, I'll show you what next to purchase. Now let me just begin. Let's say you select the IPv4. Just go, choose for North America, and then let's click on the US. You can see that one proxy cost $1.8, and remember there's a promo code. You'll use my promo code and still get a 15% off this $1.8. So you can see it's also affordable for you guys, and yeah, for the beginners it's a good start. And another thing is that for 5 IPs you can get at $9, which you don't need all these IPs. You only need one IP. You can get this one, right? And then so the next thing is that you're gonna click on buy, and you can see that you'll get the order form. Now the location is US. The rental period is 1 month, or you can either choose 2 weeks, 1 week, 1 month. And then after that you can choose the purpose. You can say remote, or you can say YouTube, freelancer, any, but remote is okay. And then you can say you need one IP, and then in this section authorization you just click on username and password. Okay, the payment method, just choose the one that you're going to use. If it's PayPal, Visa, just choose that one. And then after that, the code, redeem code. So you'll use this code. You can also check it out on our description. This code, all in capital letters. Online jobs, not online jobs 1, online jobs 2. And you can say activated, and you can say how much discount you've got. 15%, which is 0.27 USD. So the total amount that you're going to pay is 1.53 USD. You can see that's very, very affordable for most of you guys. So make sure to do not forget to use the promo code online jobs 2 for this discount. And then after that, you just submit the form. After submitting the form, your proxy will be sent to your email address. I'll show you the full process on how to connect it to your browser. And then that's for the IPv4. Now let me tell you the other part. So once you are not a beginner, you know what you're doing, and then you want now to manage an account or to make an application on some website, I'll now recommend you come either choose the ISP, which is Internet Service Provider. This is the static residential, and there's this residential. So the difference is the static residential, you will use your own network. Let's say you're using a Wi-Fi, you'll just need to connect the proxy. You'll need to connect the proxy, and then you'll use your Wi-Fi. But the residential, you'll be given it. You'll be given the GB. Yeah, it's like purchasing bundles on your phone. You purchase the bundles, then use those bundles. So it's the same as this one, but you'll be given the IP, but with GB. So the IP address as how should I explain it? Like the proxy itself acts like a GB, but it's connected to a specific region, specific location. I hope I've explained well. But let's begin with this one. So let's say you choose on the ISP proxy, go to North America, but they are limited on countries that you're going to get. But let me just click on this one, North America, click on the US, and then you can see now one IP is 3 USD. Okay, so now it's the same thing, same process. Make sure to use the promo code. So let's see how much you're gonna pay when using our promo code. Now same process, just choose the purpose of the proxy, and then the redeem code. We need to redeem our code. Let's see, does not online jobs. Okay, make sure you spell it out correctly. Activated. So the total that you're going to pay is 2.55 USD. You can see that's a good amount you can pay. You get a discount of $0.45. And now, yeah, whenever you're purchasing a proxy, make sure and remember to use the promo code. You'll get a 10% discount on this ISP or static residential, and also on the residential proxy the same thing will apply. So for this one, you can see for 3-day trial you can get at under $2. And for this one is a bit different. You'll make an order, and then they'll send you an email address, and you'll feed in which the location that you want the proxy to be in. You key in the even the exact address, the exact city, the exact state. So that's the difference with the residential. You're not assigned just any random proxy, but you'll choose you'll choose a specific address. So you can see targeting country, city, or career. So yeah, that's how you purchase the proxy. And if you get stuck, just you can reach out to me, and I can help you on setting up the proxy. But I'll make a video on how to set up a proxy so that it will be easier for you, and you can do it by yourself.